Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video I will be making this cute home decor item of 3 dancing owl, as owl symbolizes a source of positive energies, wisdom and knowledge. For making basic structure of the owl, I have taken wire of 1 mm and I keep twisting the wire unless and until I get a fine structure of the owl. This is how I make all the 3 wired structure. Now using aluminium foil to give it a solid body by wrapping it around the wire. I'm using homemade cold porcelain clay and smoothing it with the help of talcum powder and sticking it to the base with the help of PVA glue. If you are new here for the very first time, please consider subscribing to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you never miss an update. Applying small portion of the clay to make its feather and giving texture with the help of the needle. I'm making its cute little bow. Now taking a portion of wire and shape it like leg and attaching it to its body and then attaching the feet to the leg with the help of a PVA glue. And then covering the wire with the help of the clay to make its legs. This is how I complete all the 3 owls in different dancing poses. For making head of the owl, I'm using a small bottle cap and sticking it to the hollow circle of cardboard. For making stick, I have joined 2 toothpicks with the help of glue. For making headphones, I have taken wire and by rolling a snake of clay and sticking it to the wire and then sticking the wire to its head. Now for painting its feather, I am using acrylic color in the shades brown, white and black. Using white acrylic color for its body and giving some brown tint to it. giving some shades of light brown and white to its feather. Using a dark grey color for its beak by mixing black and white. Its feet I'm using light brown color by mixing dark brown with white and then painting its leg with the help of white color. For its eyes I'm using little bit of yellow color. This is how our cute little tree owl looks after coloring. I colored the headphones with the help of metallic purple color. Later I added a bow to this owl also. Using some metallic gold to highlight head and stick. Now comes the assembling part. I'm sticking the stick with the help of glue and putting head on one of the owl. Let's check out how joyful my creation turned out to be. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all in next one.